Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet a butterfly. Before we start the project, make sure to subscribe for more video tutorials. To start this project, first we're going to make a magic ring. By the way, I'm using 2.5mm crochet hook, and then we're going to start by chaining 1, and then we're going to do 10 single crochets into the ring. Once done, we're going to pull the yarn tail to tighten, and then we're going to work a slip stitch into the first single crochet made. So that's round 1. For round 2, we're going to chain 3, and then we're going to yarn over and pull up a long loop into the next stitch. And we're going to do that 6 times to make the puff stitch. So yarn over, pull through all loops. We just made 1 puff stitch, and then we're going to chain 1, chain 3 more, and then slip stitch into the same stitch. Now we're going to chain 3 and then slip stitch into the next stitch. This is the repeating pattern, so we're going to repeat making 1 more. So once done, we're going to make the antenna. We're going to chain 5, and then on the second chain from hook, we're going to work a slip stitch into each of the 4 chains, and we're going to repeat this so we have 2 antenna. Once done, we're going to make 2 more puff stitches to complete our butterfly. Once done with the last puff stitch, we're now going to work a slip stitch. We're going to chain one and then fasten off, weave in all ends. Don't forget to like and follow this Facebook page for more crochet tutorials.